Hi, I'm one of the science teachers here at St. John's. I teach science, scientific inquiry, and biology. Most of the time I'm on the Staten Island campus, but I also teach online and I also come to Queens during the summer. This semester my students are working on an academic service learning project. The charity that we're working with is called the Children's Cord Blood Bank. For some of you, you may know that the umbilical cord blood contains lots of life-saving stem cells. They're adult stem cells, not the embryonic kind that come from embryos, but they are approved by the FDA to treat diseases such as leukemia, lymphoma, sickle cell anemia in both adults and children. Right now, every day, 6,000 children and adults, their parents, their grandparents, their friends and neighbors are looking for a stem cell transplant. We are asking you to help us vote for our charity, the Children's Cord Blood Bank, in two contests. There is the Pepsi Refresh contest, which is running throughout November. Every single day, you can vote by texting on your cell phone. You can go to the Facebook site. There's an app for the Pepsi Refresh contest. And you can go directly to Pepsi Refresh Everything and put in your email. So you can actually vote 3 times a day, every single day in November, to help get a grant for the Children's Cord Blood Bank to share and spread information about public cord blood banking. A public bank is different from a private bank because a private bank only keeps it for a family. The family pays for the service and then they keep it. But that doesn't help all of the other people who already have leukemia, who already have lymphoma, who really need a transplant. And unfortunately, only 20% of people will be able to find a transplant at this time. So we really need many, many more umbilical cord bloods to be frozen so that everybody has the opportunity to be treated, especially those that are young, those that are economically challenged, and maybe of a mixed ethnicity. Those people can't find a match, and to find a bone marrow match is almost impossible. Can you imagine trying to find 80,000 of your closest friends to donate bone marrow to see which one could be a possible match? It's almost impossible. That's why saving the umbilical cords is much more effective. 6,000 babies are born in Staten Island and another 12,000 in Brooklyn. And these would be the umbilical cords that would be collected and put into this Children's Cord Blood Bank. There's also a second contest. It's called the Chase Community Giving Contest. That is a Facebook contest. So once again, the community members must vote for their charity, and based on the numbers of votes, your charity can get a grant from the Chase Bank. The top 100 charities will get a $25,000 grant. The top 6 will get a $100,000 grant, and the number 1 charity that people will vote for will get $250,000. Now, I don't think the Children's Cord Blood Bank can make it to number 1, but I would be pleasantly surprised if we did. And we can, with more and more of you reaching out to your friends on Facebook, by email, and by text. Tell your friends, make this a real community giving project, and help the students of Staten Island in their academic service learning project succeed in helping the Children's Cord Blood Bank.